Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So we are at a place. I'm trying to turn around here, but I don't know how I'm going to do. I didn't want to have to go out in that sand and turn around.
The best place. We're here in the middle of nowhere.
We are in the middle of nowhere by Tombstone, Arizona. We're at that train trestle right there on the trail 125s. This is some deep sand here.
It was a bit sandy.
Yeah.
I almost can't get my bike to go. Yeesh. All right, so we're gonna try to go back up that hill?
Yep.
Okay.
I hit some.
My goodness. Jeez. It's so soft. Oh hell, that was easy. I thought that was gonna be. I thought that was steeper when we went down it.
Well, you didn't stop in the middle of it. It's a good thing.
I wanted to, but I decided probably not.
Probably not the best idea.
Yeah. These are really cool trails out here, and what's crazy is, like always, with the first time you find something, there's like 80 ones you didn't even look at.
Oh, I know. That's what I mean. You got to come back because, I mean, all the stuff you missed, we just came mainly through here. We didn't take all them offshoot trails.
And that's the thing is, you never know, and that's the thing about going out and adventuring, hiking or biking or anything. You take one different little turn,
Yeah.
and it could be the nicest little spot you've ever seen,
Yeah.
or you take the wrong turn, you die.
Yeah, like a movie.
Yeah.
So yeah, you just don't know if you don't take the trails or roads. You don't know what's down. Well, that's how we just looked into this one.
As I say, it's just because, like we said earlier, like all we do is we just say, well, what's the random direction? Let's just go that way and see what's there.
Exactly. You just wing it, and that's how we find the best stuff. And this is typical Arizona. You come out here and there's just like trails everywhere.
Yeah.
Like that one we just passed right there. I don't know where that goes.
Well, yeah, they're off to the left and right each way.
Yeah, they're all over. One up through there.
And
So
what's crazy? Sorry.
Whereas, like, we find the main thing like this, then we come back sometime and check out the offshoot trails.
Yeah, what's crazy with some of these is I'm surprised how smooth and easy this trail is, and so even some of the ones branching off of it seem pretty like they're the same thing.
Right.
They're not even like hard riding. You just get to relax and enjoy a ride on the trail. Like this is perfect.
This is nice here, yeah.
This is one of my favorite little spots right here with these rocks.
It's pretty cool. So we want to see if we can go that left to the highway, or does it go to the highway? I don't know.
Are you talking about the one that was like, it was like down the next, right after the, on this direction would be right after we get past the telephone pole, or the line.
Yeah.
I don't know, we could try it, I'm not sure. I have my doubts because these things go all over the place.
No doubt.
Like you could think it goes one way and then in 100 feet it turns right and then goes back the opposite direction.
No doubt. It's hard to say.
Usually the easier way to tell, I feel like, with these kind of roads is just looking at how driven they are. And if it looks less driven than what we're on, it probably doesn't lead to that more driven road. But it could, it still could. I don't know.
I don't know, but like this main one here is on
Oh,
the
that's
map.
the one right there. Do you want to try that one? That was it.
No, let's just go on. Because there's all kinds of trails out in there.
I mean, yeah, look at all that. Well, that's a road. You said it splits off in a Y and it goes up toward whatever that, there's like a billboard over there.
That's a tank of some kind.
Are you sure? It looks like a billboard on the side of the road.
Oh, maybe it is, yeah.
Because it's got like the 3 lights above it.
We can look.
I don't know.
It's another thing we don't know if we don't try it. I figured it'd come out on that highway that goes right up through there.
Well, we can always. Well, we have 2 more things that we can do on our next 2 rides. We can come do this part of Tombstone, and then we can go do that other part way back behind Bisbee.
Yeah.
Let's see where that goes. Because we can easily see where that goes.
Yeah.
Like this, there's just like a little road here. That looks like that might come out at whatever that trailer park is or something. You see that?
I see the cars down there.
That looks like that comes out at that trailer park.
Let's try it.
Let's see what's over here. Look at this white sand.
Yeah, it is too. It's like powdery.
Yeah, it's real
Fine.
thin.
Yeah, real fine
Yeah.
stuff.
Watch this one come out over there. You never know.
Crazy how many we found out in here now. See, there's that one I seen earlier.
Yeah, that's what I was talking. That one over there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's the main road. I see a car.
Yeah, there's a billboard right there too.
Yeah. We might find another way into this area.
That's what I was gonna say. We might have a shortcut here.
Yeah. See
Depending
where it
if the
comes
entrance ain't sketchy.
out. Somebody standing there with a shotgun.
I know. Hopefully we don't go into someone's backyard. Oh, back at the creek bed. Ooh. I mean, we're right here. I bet there's an exit.
Yeah, it is an RV park, ain't it?
Yeah, I bet if we go to the right... No, maybe over that way? That looks like that could be the exit. This looks more driven.
We're that close to the road.
I know, there's got to be an exit right here, I bet.
If not, we're going right down this creek.
Yep.
Oh,
Here we
no.
go. No problem. Oh.
I thought you said no problem.
Well, back there, not up here.
Well, we're coming out of the tunnel, but I don't know if it goes up to the road anywhere. I don't think it does. No, it don't. It don't.
Nope.
Oh, no.
Well, we can try that other little road on the other side of the RV and see if that goes around it. Otherwise, we can just turn around and go back up. Oh my God, it almost won't go. Stuff is so thick. There we go. Come on, get your tire dug in. It's funny because you'll get going and then you'll hit a surreal soft spot. Oh, dang.
I just kept trying to go while I was going.
I saw.
I don't think there's a way around that way.
You
I think
know?
it's just a turnaround right there. No.
I'm gonna go check on the other side of that tree and see.
I don't think so.
Yeah, you're right.
Once in a while.
All right. Turn around. Every now and then you gotta turn around.
That's right. Especially us.
Yep. Whoa.
What are you doing back there?
I went into that creek super fast and it just sunk in the sand with like full speed and stopped me. Oh, it feels good getting fast enough to get the wind on you.
Yes, it does.
My head's getting warm.
I knew you was a hothead.
I know. Can't handle it.
Trying to cut me off at the pass.
Yep. Woo! Man, that sand will get you warm real quick.
It's a workout.
Yep.
Especially on these bikes because they don't have enough power to get on it and go.
Yeah, you have to have more of that foot-pound torque. Whoa!
That's why I swerved.
Yep.
Foot-pounds of torque. We got foot-pounds of torque on this baby.
Yep.
See, this is a railroad thing. That's where it went to that trestle.
Yeah, you were right. I thought it was just too sketchy, but you were right. Well, it makes sense too. Is like we should have known when we saw the black stuff, the black rocks.
Yeah.
Wasn't even thinking about the black rocks. It's funny because it didn't feel like we came out here that far, but we actually went like quite a little ways out on this little dirt road.
We did. Yeah, we did. Quite a ways.
You don't realize when you're having fun. It's just like you're like, oh, whoops.
Yeah,
how far did we? How far did we even go?
It's a long ways back.
Well, because then I'm like, oh, well, I remember us seeing the rocks, and I was like, oh, that was like way after. Look at the. Why are these rocks yellow because of like pollen or something?
I think it's from all the train stuff. I don't know.
Oh.
Oh, that's probably just the rust.
Oh, I guess it could be rust too.
It's iron in the ground.
I thought iron was more like orange though, not yellow.
Yeah, I've seen some that looks really yellow too.
Huh.
I'd have to go back to the 1800s to answer that.
Yep. Except for there wouldn't have been any rust because it hadn't rusted yet.
It's brand new.
Yep. They're like, they hadn't even figured out what rust was yet.
Yeah.
They're like, what's rust?
Rust hadn't been invented yet.
The black rocks look so cool.
Yeah.
It's funny how little it takes for us to be like, whoa, look at this. Like if you saw a place where you drove through and all of a sudden there was like bright blue gravel that was like a royal blue, you'd be like, what in the heck kind of place is this?
Yeah.
Because it's just different than what you're normally seeing.
Right.
You used to just seeing tan and gray rocks.
Those people be used to it.
Yeah. Ooh. This was a really cool trail.
It was. That was a good find.
Well, and the actual trail itself was really nice riding. Like it wasn't crazy at all.
We're back at the tin horn.
Yep. Try not to bust a cap.
Well, we know we can come out right here.
Yeah. Oh, that's true, whatever this thing is.
Yeah. At that war, the one up here, one of them. The parking lot we saw.
Yeah, where's that turn off?
On up to this other place, I think. I guess.
Did we already pass it? I feel like it was that building.
We must have passed it.
I think it was that building on the other side, and you said it right after we missed it.
Oh.
Because I wasn't
Oh,
paying
well.
attention to the trail. Yeah, because we're already back now.
We're back to the Circle K.
Yep. The OK gas station.
Yeah. Here's one goes that way.
That's where we came from.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But I'm sure this comes out of the gas station too.
Holy cow, I'm not sure.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, it does. I mean, this comes out at the gas station. That's the easy way to find it. Right there at Circle K, straight on.
Yep.
Well, we're back to Tombstone.
Yep.
Okay, guys, we're going to get off here in this video. Thank you all for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. Hit the thumbs up. Click that bell icon so you'll be notified when I put out a new video. And we'll catch you all on the next adventure. Right on.